I'm living, I'm able, I'm breathing, I'm grateful.
Hey lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another part of our nesting series. So I am currently 36 weeks pregnant and I'm getting everything done as fast as possible and best as possible, and at the same time I'm taking it slow and easy. I forgot to do an intro because this video, I did a video first showing my final haul, and then I went straight into the nesting video in terms of like setting up. So we have the bottle wrap, the bottle storage container, we have the caddy, we have the dresser, we have the closet, and we also have the bassinet. But I never remember get a chance to do an intro, so pretty much this is an intro here. This, if it's your first time stopping by here, my name is Shantanaredman. I am currently in my Pregnancy Diaries series for baby number 2. Feel free to check out my Pregnancy Diaries for baby number 1. So this is baby number 2, and I'm just pretty much showing the insights of my pregnancy journey, things to expect, things that I have done, so it can shed some light for you moms to be, if you're planning to get pregnant or you know someone that is currently pregnant. Feel free to share this whole playlist with them so it can help them as well. I might not be doing like a detailed talking in terms of what is done, what is taking place, but for the most part, the stuff that I've mentioned that I am currently doing in this video, this is the little behind the scenes, and I was trying to catch little snippets because I have storage problem. Hopefully I can get one of those DJI Pocket 3 or DJI Action 4, one of those with the camera, because I've been struggling with storage and I have not been consistent in terms of how I want to come out in terms of content for both YouTube and for shorts. So bear with me. If you enjoy these type of content, definitely feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and welcome to the family. I also have travel vlogs, lifestyle vlogs, and the rest out here on this channel, so definitely feel free to check out. So in the meanwhile, enjoy the music, and also I'll be talking in some of them as well, so you can turn up the volume too while I chip in and out as well. And thank you guys so much for watching in. So the caddy set up, guys, but this need to wash down there, need to wipe, probably need to finalize. We set it around and everything, but we need to make sure the screws and the that connect. Actually, I love this one, so I have the little support down below where you can like stop it from pushing, or you can actually move it out as well. Comfy, and it come with a sheet. This is good, so good. Come with one sheet at least. She's gonna have like 4 sheets set now. And then for this one, we're trying to set up this, but something not clicking. One of the stuff not clicking. So this one is the buckle stands that we wash them. We can put them down to drain and then convert them into the storage bin. But mommy and I were trying, I promise you. But I guess it need his hand. These are the stuff. This is how it's supposed to look. So it have 15 bottle holes, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Yeah. And then I guess the little nipple cover can hold up there, and then the water drain down there. Or if you maybe have soda or so, you can put them down into dry. But I actually love it. I love it. Still now we have, I think this one is the drawer, and then this one is the closet. I think VTRIN. Yeah, this is the closet. So these two left to set up. We're not gonna do the stroller. Everything else is just Pampers, wipes, and the lamp. Not gonna set up the lamp as yet. Those buckles gonna wash tomorrow and put down to dry and clean up. So when we set this up, wash it up and clean it up, I'm gonna set the caddy, preset the caddy, and then take out the stuff them, because I don't want the gas dust about gas to gather down these. And then we just have my 90 to wash out along with the maternity bra. And I'm gonna wash down the hangers as well before putting baby girl's clothes on them. Yeah, so I think that would be it. And in this now would be the storage container. Let me see. This would be the bottle holders. Wow, the bottle holders. So they come with different sizing. numbers so you know what to go where from who to go where. Let me show you. Wait. So messy in here, but I'm trying to set up as much as possible. These are the setup now with the numbers, so let's build and see. I figure it out now. At least, so mommy set up the caddy good. Mommy and I set it up part way, but some loose ends need to be sorted out. So Obi gonna fix that maybe tomorrow when he comes from work. So we just need to wash off here, wipe it down. That cannot be washed because it's like a little thin plywood on the inside, so we're just gonna take the cloth with some of the detergent soap and wipe it, and then re-wipe it with some wings so you can have it look a fragrance scent and everything. But for this one now, I set it up. Can come baby. I set it up perfect now, so it open up now, so like the nipple covers can go up here, and then like the what you call these, the bottle covers, and then the back will turn down there. It's really kind of fragile, but if it handled with care, we're good. So I did something. Get yourself a husband because of this. Get yourself a husband because my mommy has struggled with it. Yeah. Bottle, yeah. So I'm gonna wash the bottle. She have 15 bottles. And I think we're supposed to have 15 bottles if we're not lying. No? But hubby set it down for us. So at least one item completed. Yeah. And I did this one. You like this one, Baba? Look. We're gonna turn on the buckle them though. So nipples up top, and then the buckle cover and the buckle them drain down here. And you see how it look? Yeah. But something off. I don't know how to work the piece there, and then them straps here to go somewhere. I'm not sure where to go. But mommy, I go pull this out and wash it. So if we finalize it now, wouldn't make no sense. So I go struggle if we take it off tomorrow. And it come with one extra see the bedding, it come with give one free sheet. So but we did look down at the bottom, but you have to fine tune for it because you know at the end of the day we're the summer. Oh, you just know where to go. And it cover what a wicked. See, pick up all of the hard working baby father them and husband them, but cause remember me struggle to get. See them? Me could have been for this man, you crazy. You crazy, eh? Mom, you ever go show you just don't go back? My mommy zip it round and one zip supposed to there. Somewhere to connect it. No, I think it's right. Wait, see that now? Perfecto! Yay! You put the baby? Hush. Is the baby down? Alright. Rock her to me now. You can read with it. Oh, alright, this kid. You see the baby in there? Yeah. But the baby make her don't watch my baby poke, you know. That's just so wrong. I rude. Guys, this is how it look. Yeah, I'm just stiffing up in my tummy. I know I need to go take me a nap. But anyway, it's set up and it's set up really nice. I'm sure the boastiness of my daughters, because one she's gonna share butter in these, are those supposed to be drinking from a sippy cup. But is it open? I'm gonna leave them because I'm tired. So it's coming on nicely, and I love it. Shout out to my cousin. It's coming on. It's coming on lovely. I got some new storage. Back up and I got space. Guys, this is really big tea reach. What you can find part of A?
You want to go right this one? Let me see.
Maybe you put it on like this. There's somewhere though. But this is what she's been doing so far, and I'm proud of her. This kid used to get to me. She's going to do almost 2 o'clock in the morning. But she's working. Oh, look at her. But this is what Auntie do. Because why? My brain not pump on the Bobby builder.
I wasn't born for this.
But it's coming on lovely. I love that. Sandra can't say any better than this. Angles are a little bit different and bossy from the one that Mama currently have. This is all the closet stuff. Something small, but yet big. And we have pockets here. 2, 4 pockets on the side as well. And they come with zips, so you know, so we don't have to worry about dust. And you have these little area that you can literally just slide across and slide across like a little curtain effect. And we go set up and pack up. So actually look nice. So hangers are right there. Just imagine the clothes like stuck across now. And then down here now, I'm gonna try get some storage bin where I can put like the lower floor. I can put like the going out shoes or toys. So between toys and going out shoes, gonna take a shelf there. If there's anything that we can fold like big blanket, we'll also do so. Now we put it up, but when we set up the clothes in it, you will see how it's looking. So the hangers are looking after washing because they had some little residue coming, some dusting coming out. So Mommy washed them for me, and this is all the dresser is looking. As you can see, for Munchkin one, Munchkin have way more drawers than hers. This need to clean off and wipe down. And then this is Biscuit one right here. So we're gonna fold up, set up, organize, and then come back, guys, to show you how it's looking. But I love the bossiness at the angles. They're plastic, so you know they're easy to clean, versus these are actually like cloth type material, I think. So we open on. Open on. Okay. Make up alright, and then put it down in. So we're gonna have these set up too.